A few days ago, I come across a video about terrariums, tiny birds inside glass jars, and for some reason, I couldn't stop thinking about them. The idea felt strange. A handful of soil, a few plants, some moisture, and somehow it became its own little world. So I decided to make one, then another, and another, and another. The funny thing is, I wasn't trying to make the perfect terrarium. I was mostly experimenting different jars, different plants, different arrangements. Each one felt slightly different, like its own small place. Some looked better than others, some felt unfinished. But every time I finished one, I wanted to make another just to see what would happen. My first terrarium is already dying. Most of it is gone. The plant didn't survive. At first, it felt disappointing, but after a while, I started feeling strangely normal because that's what experiments are. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, and then you try again. What surprised me wasn't the terrariums, it was the feeling they created. When I looked inside those jars, they stopped feeling like decorations. They just start feeling like places. Tiny places with their own rules. Everything happens quietly, whether I am watching or not. The truth is, these jars are not anything extraordinary. They are just soil, plants, grass, water, and time. But maybe that's what makes them beautiful. Life doesn't need much. A forest grows in a valley, moss grows on a rock, and sometimes a tiny bird grows inside a jar. I don't know how long this terrarium will survive. Maybe weeks, maybe months, maybe they'll all fail, but they are still becoming whatever they are going to become. And for now, it is nice knowing that on my desk. They are quietly figuring themselves out.